Gratitude enhances both personal and professional relationships by fostering a culture of appreciation. This foundational aspect leads to improved communication and collaboration among individuals. Moreover, incorporating gratitude into daily routines positively impacts mental well-being. Acknowledging the positives in life effectively reduces stress and boosts overall happiness. Additionally, consistently expressing thanks cultivates a positive atmosphere. This sense of positivity inspires others, nurturing a supportive community or workplace environment. Expressions of gratitude play a crucial role in enhancing the ambience in any setting, making individuals feel valued and appreciated. This significance is clearly illustrated throughout the video. Further, the video emphasizes the importance of nonverbal cues, such as sitting down and making eye contact, which effectively complement verbal expressions of thanks. Lastly, repeated affirmations, like saying yes, strengthen agreement and understanding in conversations, further contributing to a collaborative environment.